Everything you're seeing right now was generated by AI, not by an animation studio, not by a team of editors, not by someone spending months inside Blender or After Effects, just one prompt. And honestly, I think most people still haven't realized what's about to happen to animation, because 6 months ago, this level of content would have required an entire production team. Now, it literally works from a chat conversation. And the scary part, you can do it from your phone.
Nah, this genuinely shocked me the first time I tested it, because I thought this was just another overhyped AI tool until it started generating full animated scenes.
Consistent characters, voice acting, camera movement, and actual storyboards automatically.
And that's when I realized animation is changing way faster than people think.
Right now, there are millions of people trying to become creators online. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, short films, faceless channels. But there's always been one massive problem.
Animation has traditionally been expensive, slow, and insanely difficult to make. Like seriously, to create high-quality animated videos, you normally need
complex software, powerful PCs, editing skills, animators, voice actors, and storyboard artists. And for most people, that instantly kills the idea before they even start.
But then I came across a tool called Anijam AI, and after testing it for the last few days, I genuinely think this might become one of the biggest AI creator tools this year, because this thing basically turns animation into a conversation, and I'm going to show you exactly why.
So look at this. All I'm going to do is type a simple idea. A fierce clash of cyan and crimson blades in a cyberpunk cityscape as a futuristic heroine battles and defeats her dark adversary. That's it. And then Anijam starts building the entire thing for you. Script, scenes, characters, storyboards, visual style, animation, voiceovers, and lip syncing. Everything.
And that is just by chatting with the agent. It's basically the ChatGPT of animation. I'll walk you through the tutorial in a minute.
So let me show you how this actually works. Once you enter your idea, you choose your creation mode. There's AI director mode, which is probably what most people will use. Workflow mode for more advanced control. Oscar mode, which basically tries to turn your idea into a more cinematic, high-level production. Then you choose your format. So YouTube, TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and this is actually smart because most AI tools completely ignore platform optimization. Then comes the visual styles. Anime, 3D animation, cyberpunk, cinematic, stylized. Different moods, different aesthetics, different storytelling styles. And instead of manually building everything yourself, the AI handles the heavy lifting automatically.
This is probably the craziest part. If you've ever tested AI video tools before, you already know the biggest problem. Characters never stay consistent. But watch this.
You can upload a reference image, lock in the character design, and suddenly your character stays consistent across multiple scenes. That changes everything for YouTube series, animated storytelling, recurring characters, brand mascots, or even faceless channels. And honestly, this is where I think people are underestimating the opportunity, because now one creator can build entire animated worlds alone.
The feature that actually shocked me the most was motion control. The final video that I will be previewing in a few didn't feel like an AI-generated anime, it felt real.
So check this out. You can upload a motion reference video, and Anijam transfers that movement onto your animated character, which means your characters don't just stand there awkwardly. They move naturally, with actual energy, actual emotion. And then on top of that, you can generate voiceovers directly inside the platform. Different voices, different tones, and different languages. And then the AI automatically lip syncs the character to the dialogue. And this is the moment where the entire workflow suddenly feels dangerous, because you realize how much production work is being compressed into one platform. This would have sounded impossible not that long ago.
I honestly think we're entering a completely different era of content creation, because for the first time ever, animation is becoming accessible to normal people, not just studios or professionals. Everyone. And the creators who learn these tools early are probably going to dominate attention over the next few years, especially faceless creators, storytelling channels, educational creators, short form creators, even brands, because attention online is getting harder every single year.
And I still can't get over the fact that this entire thing works on mobile too. You can literally open Anijam on your phone or use the app, type an idea, and start generating animated videos from basically anywhere. That level of accessibility is exactly why tools like this spread so fast.
So if you're even remotely interested in content creation, animation, storytelling, faceless YouTube channels, short form content, or AI tools in general, you should probably test this before everybody else catches on.
Anijam is giving new users 500 free credits when you sign up, plus 100 daily credits just for checking in. So you can literally start experimenting immediately.
I'll leave the link at the very top of the description and pin it in the comments too. I really want to know what people are going to create with tools like this over the next year.
Because this doesn't feel like a small upgrade, and it feels like one of those moments where content creation fundamentally changes.
Before you go, let's preview the final video I generated.
It ends here, Drapin.
Impressive. You can't keep this up!
You're done. It's over.
If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.